Welcome to Brother Frank TV, beautiful people. Looky here. We are at the Northeast Classic Car Museum. Cue the intro, please. Alrighty. Let's take a look at this beauty right here. Actually, let's take a look at all these beauties. The 1909 black 2-passenger runabout. I believe that one there was the 1912. Let me give it to you right here. Meets. I'm not sure how they pronounce some of these older vehicles, but anyways, here we have a 1912 International. Pretty cool to go take a nice Sunday drive in one of these. Here is, check this out, 1914 Detroit Electric. Check it out. Wow, that's super cool. How you doing, ma'am? That would be something that they would be wearing in that particular era. That's why they show you these mannequins. Here's another electric vehicle. 1910 Waverly Electric. Beautiful. And we now come over here to this beautiful 1910 Firestone Columbus. '14 Buick. These are just some amazing cars. They really have a beautiful place here. 1914 Ford Model T runabout. This is one of my favorites. This 1920 Chevrolet Roadster. I would love to take this out for a ride. Wouldn't mind taking this one out either. Beautiful. These cars are just all immaculate. Obviously showroom condition. Whoa, check this out. 1901 Knox. Check that out. Here's some photos of it in action. Wow. 1909 Victor. This is the 1927 Studebaker. This is the President Edition, the Big Six. This is a 1932 Ford. Wow, that is really gorgeous. Again, there goes some of the attire that might have been worn in that particular era of the vehicle. 1924 Buick right here. Beauty. Here's the 1918 white mountain bus. Beautiful. This is a 1939 Buick.
And the way it works is this. Open the door.
Wow.
This up, and you get into
That's
the back
beautiful.
seat.
Let's take a look inside.
Then you let this down.
Oh, it's a stick. Check it out.
Shield you from the wind. And if you
Gonna concentrate on the inner side here. We'll come back the next time to do all of these beauties on this side.
sitting in that back corner,
Those are all gorgeous. We're gonna come back and make another trip and film over there. 1937 Chrysler.
car runs really fast. The only problem is
Wow, look at that.
where it's at.
Gorgeous. Incredible.
It belongs to a man or a family.
Now here's a motorcycle that was actually featured on the History Channel. It says the Great Race.
On a Chevrolet or a Ford.
Very cool.
And when they went out of business, they sold this car. And I'm told that by the president of such club, that this
1930 American Austin. Wow, that's a gorgeous red right there. (1934) Buick Series 50 convertible coupe. Don't get no better than that. This is a 1912 RCH. (1910) Pullman. Hey there, ma'am. She's all dressed up and ready to go. Out maybe in this 1921 Mitchell. Oh yeah. Wow, check out the colors on this vehicle. 1924 Stanley Steamer. Interesting name. Wow, pretty cool. There was a couple pictures of it. (1929) Nash. (1929) Buick. 1931 Ford. It's a 1932 Chevrolet. 1929 Plymouth. I mean, these cars were just, they're all gorgeous. And this is how it looks as we come down the aisle, the way they have them set up here. '31 Cadillac. So some great pictures of it. Here's another 31 Cadillac. Let's get a look inside this 1918 Cadillac. Wow, check that out. Let's see here. This car features one of the first tilt steering wheels. It tilts down and was called the Fat Man's. Check that out. Beautiful motor. Alrighty, beautiful people. Time to start letting you go as we covered this room. God bless, and always think POZ. Please like, please comment, and please subscribe. Hope you have a really awesome day, beautiful people. Bonus footage. Beautiful people. That's the 1935 Lincoln. Let's take a look down here. This will be for another day. Let's get a little sneak peek in here. Alrighty, this is a 36 Packard. We're just going to give you a sneak peek as we'll come back and do this section much more thoroughly. This is a 1923 Packard. 1924 Lafayette. Wow. I like when they open the hoods on these vehicles.
V8, a flathead V8. Unique thing about this car is it has electric
37 Cord.
electric switch in here when you go to the start the motor underneath the hood.
1935 Auburn.
When you go the other way, the switch opens and allows the fluid to go out of the filter and back to the reservoir.
1936 Auburn. Vlog. Over.